Granda's Summer Dance Workshop happening this May, June, and July. The dance concert will be Mo Arena sa batch 1 and 2, and then Theater at Soler ng batch 3 and 4. Meron po mga students dito talagang lilipad pa papuntang Manila to join GForce Project, like Enzo, Miss Michelle, and meron pang iba. So, pwede niyo pong gawin yon. Punta kayo ng Manila, join the workshop because we're celebrating 20 years in the industry. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you po. Okay, with that, I would like to thank our sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa love and support mo sa GForce. Number 1 na dyan, ang aming partner and major sponsors, Metro 7J Global. Asan po kayo? Hello po! Thank you so much po. Yeah, thank you so much. And then our food sponsors, the Pride of Iloilo, Neto's Original Special La Paz Batchay, grabe ang sabi ko. Juicy Lucy American Food Bar, Azul Latin Bistro, Byron Smallville, home of Macaulay's best bakeries, Desserts in the Sky, Arturo's Barbecue, Afrix Pizza, Pasta, Ribs, and more. And more.
Yes. And for accommodation po, Avina Towers, Artria, or Civic Corpo, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po. And thank you also for Meraki Beauty and Wellness Hub. And then also po, Chef Bon of Marriott Hotel for the breakfast kanina. Thank you po.
And also, eto talaga itong taong to, sobrang love namin. She's been bringing us here also and promoting us here in Iloilo. Our promoter, our very own, Miss Michelle! Thank you so much! Grabe mag-alaga niya si Miss Michelle. Gusto niya mag-join pero ang dami ng work. So sa GForce Project, lilipad siya para mag-join ng GForce Project. Mas bongga. Okay. I love it. Now, with that said, nabitin po ba kayo dun? Yeah! Nakabitin, no? Gusto niyo po bang makita kami sumayaw ni Teacher Janelle? Okay, wala natin matagalin na Teacher Janelle. Okay, kailangan namin ng matinding palakpak niyo dyan, ha?